All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the Buffalo Bills rebuild. Um, I am live on YouTube. It will not be up by the time I upload it to the YouTube channel, because I don't want to do the same shit. But I do want to add some edits and shit like that. So that's why I'm doing it, uploading it twice, basically. So if you hear me talk about random shit, I probably just look at the chat. But let's go over the Buffalo Bills team. We got a new head coach. Don't forget to go check out the second channel. I have a video coming out probably next week on it. I need to film it probably this weekend. So go check that shit out. Yeah. I promise you, if you try it out, you'll enjoy it. I won't be posting on it that much compared to this channel. It's mostly not about football over there, so this channel right here is still my main channel, but go check out the second channel. Also, go check out the Discord server. The second channel is in the bio and in the description. You're gonna have to copy and paste it, probably. And the Discord server is in the bio and the description of this video. Go check them out. Thank you. Coach and Joe Brady. I don't know how I feel about him. Fuck. Deion Dawkins. I mean, this is not a battle line unit whatsoever outside left guard. Last year was probably one of the better offensive line units in the league. Dalton Kincaid's serviceable. Dawson Knox is good too. Shakir's fine. How does Keon Coleman have a star development? He's fucking ass. Palmer's ass. DJ Moore's fine. We need a true one, bro. We don't have a true one. James Cook is great when he just needs to figure out his fumble and issue. Josh Allen, in my mind, is a top 3 quarterback of the league. Arguably the best. Defensively, I feel like this would be better suited for 3-4. I don't know. I might change it. I'm gonna change it to a 3-4. Maybe. Yeah. A 3-4. I just feel like it's better suited that way. TJ Parker is gonna get star development. I don't know why they drafted him. They don't necessarily need edge, but I don't even think he's an edge, right? I mean, okay, he is an edge. But they just signed Bradley Chubb. They have Landon Jackson, who looks like Lex Luthor in Madden. Like, I feel like interior linebacker is a bigger need for them. Hell, they even have Mike Dang. I like Terrell Bernard. What I'm going to do, Landon Jackson's a 73 overall as an edge. I'm going to see how he is at linebacker. All right. Will linebacker. If he's not good overall, if he's like a 70, 71, 70 at will, we will move him back to edge. But if he's only a 72, we would keep him there. You know what I mean? $70. Honestly, I'm willing to do it just because of his depth trait. Bradley Chubb's probably gonna be a trade candidate. I like Cole Bishop. CJ is my boy. I like Benford and Harrison. I like Sanders. At all will just never progressed that great. Like he might be a trade candidate for us. Um, we're gonna be making some trades here. I know Dawson Knox is probably the best second tight end of the league. Um, but here in Madden, it's already hard to progress, get great stats for one tight end, let alone two. What's up, Simon? I know a lot of Bills fans like Ed Oliver. Oh, I forgot to give Davidson a star development. I do like him. Jerry Judy never progressed in NFL. I don't mind that Washington trade package. We're not doing 6-7. If I can get a better pick from Washington and Newton, that would be sick. I'll settle for that. Ooh. I'm fine with a fifth, honestly. It's better than a seventh. It's easier to trade up with a fifth if you have the right assets. Dawson Knox at all over Bradley Chubb is going to Washington for Newton and a fifth. We're not doing fucking 6-7 in my chat, boys. What other trades are we gonna make? We're trading Keon Coleman. Would Ray Davis have any trade value? Maybe. And Williams and Alfred. Maybe so. Palmer, Coleman, Williams, Alfred. Pretty pay. We just don't need edge. Dale Carvel. No. Wait, what position does Herbert play? No. Ray Davis, Joshua Palmer, Williams going to the Steelers for a third-round pick this year. Just trade in some of our scrap. You don't want Keon Coleman. He can't catch to save his fucking life. PlayStation. Geno Stone is going to be traded. I bet you I could get first or a second. Probably not first. But a second. Keon Coleman, D. Alford, Geno Stone is going to the Seahawks for Kenneth. For a second round pick. Now we're gonna try to get another first round pick with the draft picks that we got. So if I can get Dexter Sr. in the first, that would be sick. Just probably won't happen. Now I know this would go through. Okay. Save a third this year. Fuck me. We got a first round pick from the Bears. I'm on a similar to mid-season mark. I'll see you guys there. Well, I can't cut it out from the stream, but okay, at the mid-season mark, we are, survey says, 5-1. The Bills always do. Goodness them. It's down a realistic draft class. And we sign some players. CJ, probably. Mike Dannon, no. We don't have a lot of money either. CJ is back. I'm just a big fan of CJ. It's the way to the playoffs. Alright, it's playoff time. Almost. We made the playoffs going 10-7. Josh Allen. Great season from Josh Allen. Hopefully the MVP. I mean, is there a way to check and yep. Take a look at yards. I'm not gonna answer that. It was third in yards. Touchdowns. I just don't think he will win MVP. He has a second to least amount of touchdowns tied with Caleb Williams. Yeah, I don't think he's going to win MVP. But he has a legit shot to. James Cook, 1,100 yards, 13 touchdowns. DJ Moore, 1,300 yards, 10 touchdowns. Skylar Bell, out of nowhere, puts up 1,200 yards and 10 touchdowns. Okay, Skylar. Maybe we don't need a better fucking receiver. He's probably in the slot. I wonder if that's enough to bring him up to star. Rusu with 12.5 sacks, 10 for Parker. 13.5 sacks for Rusu, 6 for Sanders, 7.5 for Newton. 3 picks for Harrison, 2 for Bernard. Now, we play the Broncos in the wild card. We beat the Jets made the playoffs. How many fucking teams went 10-7 of the AFC? Madden loves it 10-7. I hope they fix that fucking shit for next year. Because 10-7 is honestly starting to piss me off. It's hard for you. But Madden loves it 8-9, 9-8, and 10-7s. But can we beat the fucking Jets? We better. I don't know how the Jets made it that far, this far. Can we beat the Texans in the AFC Championship game to go to the Super Bowl? We can. Now we play the 9-8 Detroit Lions. Can we beat them? No, we lost by 6. Jared Goff, Super Bowl MVP. Patrick Mahomes is NFL MVP. Sean McVay's Coach of the Year. Puka's Offensive Player of the Year. All right. Let's take a look at dev traits. Skylar Bell is up to a star. Is up to a 87 overall morale, 85. DJ Moore's up to a superstar. Dalton Kincaid's up to a superstar. Defensively, no dev trait increases. I don't know, dude. Dalton Kincaid's 5th-year option. I mean, he's 26 years old. 84 overall. Ignore my dog snoring in the background. We don't have a lot of money. This free agency class is going to be ass anyway. It always fucking is. Okay. Yeah, I'm not bringing back. I'm not bringing in anyone. I do want to take a look at the mock draft. So we're picking at. We have 2 first-round picks because we made the trade with the Bears. If you forgot. Oh, we have 2 late first-round picks. Expected us to go off to line with both of them. You know what? I'm probably fine with that. And here's why. We're going to trade DJ Moore. Actually, I mean, he did go up to a 4 years remaining. If I can get some good value for him, I will send it through. And I mean, real good value. Omar Cooper. I usually don't like making in-division trades. That's close. Well, I'm gonna add in another draft pick or aspect. I'm gonna give it a second round pick. I mean, I need to, if I'm traded with a division team, I need to win that trade. In my personal opinion, you can't have a team that had the same record as you. I doubt they accept this. DJ Moore, Kyle Allen, and a fourth this year is going to the Jets for Omar Cooper Jr. In a second. My favorite NFL team is Philadelphia. Omar Cooper would be better than DJ Moore, anyways. Far younger. Yeah. Playmaker. Does not give him a scheme fit, but that's fine. Up to an 85 overall. Winning some way to the draft. I can get Ryan Ringo. That would be sick. I would trade Shakir for Ringo. But we need to focus on a couple offensive lines. We basically have back-to-back picks. The left side of our offensive line. Hayward, we're going to move Hayward to the left side. Number 47 class, we got him at number 29. Star with better development. And then we would grab Casey Poe as long as the Texans don't grab him. Nope, the Texans go Sammy Brown. Star, better development. Is TJ Moore worth trading Shaquille for? Number 15 class coming, number 52, Star, better development. Honestly, he probably is. And I think I'm going to trade down. Actually, I'm going to wait to make this trade. Because I want grabber linebacker. Miles Graham's not bad. Juan Bennett's also not bad, but Graham would be better. Number 78 in the class, star better than Valme. He looks like a beast. We're gonna trade Jackson. Just no use for him. We're gonna trade Shakir. Again, no use for him. Hayward is a 76. Poe's a 75. How's Poe worse than Hayward? Moore's a 76. Graham is a 74, which I don't mind at all. Already the same overall as Jackson. And it would only be a 1 overall difference if his overall changes, which I doubt it. It is not. I do like Shakir, but I'm trying to get better. How about a second and a fourth? Would you do that for me, Denver? I would settle for a second and fifth. Khalil Shakir, Landon Jackson's going to the Broncos for a fourth and a second this year. And this is going to be the team for season number 2. I think we'll set up in a good spot. I really do. Right guard could be better. But defensively, defensive line's sick. I mean, strong safety could improve. Corners are sick. Like, I think we'll set up in a successful spot. But no Madden, it's going to be a pain in the ass. Let's simulate to the midseason mark and see how we are then. Fucking A. What opportunity? What the fuck? Hold on, guys. And we're not playing. No. I've already said no 6-7. What the fuck is that? Moore's a star. Poe's a star. What is it? Heyman? Haywood? It's a star. It was a trap. Grams undecided. The Bills never lose to the Chiefs in the regular season matter. How far away is Graham? No. I'm going to right to the playoffs. What? Why what? Of course we're fucking 9-8. Why what? Josh Allen, 4,100 yards. Good season. 1,500 yards, 9 touchdowns to James Cook. Cooper's good. Moore's good. That was good. Because why not? Greg Lusso, 19.5 sacks. Can we beat Vegas? I don't know how we're fucking 9-8. Nope, we can't beat Vegas. Because basketball fucking sucks, okay? Basketball's fucking retarded and gay. And a pussy sport. Okay, fuck you, Madden. Fuck the 49ers. How does, what's his name not fucking win defensive player of the year? Greg Lusso. I'm a bit of it. Any Dotre increases, not offensively. How is Lusso not up to a fucking X Factor? He had 19.5 sacks. Madden's hating on Greg Lusso. Fucking A. Not bringing back a soul to my team. Basketball fucking sucks. I mean it. We have 110 mil. Nah, I need some football in my life, bro. Kevin Petulu list football in my life, bro. I didn't think you liked fucking basketball. We'll skip it out on free agency. This fucking free agency fucking sucks. You can't ever have too much fucking football. Pick 20 expected us to go corner McMillan. How good is he? Okay, he might be a fucking dog. He might be a fucking dog. If McMillan's gonna fall, I don't fuck with O-line. Give me fucking McMillan. If he's not a dog, well, fuck you, Madden. What? What the fuck is that? Analogy, bro. I'm editing an LA rebuild. I would quit your bitching. Okay? Yeah, we don't need a quarterback here. Where's McMillan? Let's take a look at guards. Kind of ass. I don't have 2 second-round picks. When's McMillan expected to go? Cooper's not bad either. Let's just pray that McMillan falls to us. Let's go Dorsett. We'll be moving him to the right side. Number 7 playoff class. I'm sorry, what now? Fuck! This class probably sucks. Yes, there was some profanity there. You guys can go fucking cry about it. I'm not gonna trade up. If McMillan falls, McMillan falls. This class looks like a shitty fucking draft class anyways. This Grant, I think McMillan may have fallen. Nope. Why would he? We don't really need a fucking corner anyway. Honestly, Gomez does not look too bad. Number 24 player class, star, better development. We might just start him. Or maybe move one of them to fucking center. What would we pick at pick 24? I don't even know where McMillan went. Probably went the first round by the look of it. I mean, we don't really need a corner. We're trading Alvis pick. I don't know what to do. It's a shitty draft class. Dorsett's a 78. Gomez is a 75. Or am I just overreacting because of a depth trade? $280 overall. 84 overall. A fucking 84 overall left guard. Fucking kidding me right now? Okay, it's a good draft class. It's a good draft class. Honestly, Cooper looks like a good, like the best corner here. Do I have Star better? Cooper is normal. How about um what did McMillan went to the Falcons, pick 21. 80 overall, normal development. But he still looks like a fucking dog. This draft class really likes its fucking normal development. Shit. Of course, the backup running back for the CPU draft. Sean Slater retired. Gomez is a fucking 68. No, he's not. He's a 75. Can he play tackle? Yeah. I don't want Brown. Let's move Hayward to left. I mean, it doesn't make a fucking difference, right? And I'm going to send wait till the mid-season mark. This might be the last season. I don't fucking know. What time is it? 8:49. I fucking hate that future. But yeah, I'm going to be somewhere in the mid-season mark. Okay, at the mid-season mark, we will be, survey says, 5-2. I don't know if we're going to do another season. Kincaid, Bishop, Newton, Kilgore. I don't think we're going to do another season. But it's somewhere to the playoffs. If we do another season, we extend everyone after a Super Bowl. A week after the Super Bowl, you know. Let's somewhere to the playoffs. Playoff time. We did going 13-4. Josh Allen 48. It is 800 yards, 50 touchdowns, 4 picks. James Cook 1,400 yards, 7 touchdowns. Skylar Bell 1,200 yards, 17 touchdowns. Cooper 1,100 yards, 7 touchdowns. Moore 1,000 yards, 9 touchdowns. 12 TFLs for Newton, 12 for Rusu, 11 for Parker. 11.5 sacks for Newton, 10.5 for Rusu, 9.5 for Parker. 2 picks for Harrison, 1 for Elms Emar. Can we beat the Texans in the wild card? Yes. We're not going to do another season. Can we beat the Chiefs in the divisional round? Nope. We're not doing another season. I don't fucking feel like it. It was a fun rebuild. I think it was a lot of fun over the Packers rebuild. If you guys are watching a live stream, you have not seen the Packers rebuild yet. But I filmed that last night. But Chiefs won the Super Bowl, killing the fucking Falcons. Patrick Mahomes won Super Bowl MVP and regular season MVP. Josh Allen's Offensive Player of the Year, and Noah Bills. Take one more look at the team. Anyone have trade upgrades? Bell's a superstar. That's only offensive depth trade. Alzima and Bernard is both up to a superstar. Kilgore's up to a superstar. Thank you guys for watching. Either on a live stream or a video. I'll be deleting the live stream probably around 8 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. But goodbye. Get out of here.